Token spotlight time. Everyone's talking about this token. Let's cut through the noise and get to the truth. Hello everyone, it's the Crypto Evangelist here. Welcome to another episode of Token Spotlight, where I highlight different cryptocurrencies and I talk about them, spotlighting them, and also just sharing some nuggets. As always, whatever I say in my video is not financial advice, and it's always important for you to do your own research when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Let's get into it. Today we are going to be talking about a unique cryptocurrency that is the token for a decentralized trading and order book ecosystem. And the cryptocurrency that we're going to be talking about today is SEI or SEI. I just call it SEI. I don't know the right pronunciation. And SEI is the native token of the SEI network, a layer 1 blockchain purpose built for decentralized trading and other book-based DeFi. So basically, it's a token that is used to power a decentralized exchange. Everybody knows all these centralized exchanges like Binance, Bybit, OKX, but SEI is used to power its own decentralized exchange ecosystem. And one of the things that makes it very unique is that it is part of the native token of the Cosmos ecosystem. And as part of the Cosmos ecosystem, SEI uses the Cosmos SDK and Tendermint consensus. It's a very popular token and it's one token that many people talk about in the crypto space. So let's just do a quick run around on how its ecosystem is, just to show you guys some stuff that it has. Right, we're going to begin with
all you have to do is go to your Telegram and search for Crypto Evangelist bot. There you'll be able to do simple daily tasks like daily check-ins, following LinkedIn, liking a post or retweeting a post, and you stand a chance to be on the leaderboard where you'll be able to earn 5,000 Naira weekly and as much as 20,000 Naira monthly on the Crypto Evangelist bot.
some of its key strengths. So if you're looking at the strengths of SEI system, one of the things that SEI token has is that it has specialization for trading infrastructure. We see that SEI is built to handle thousands of transactions, is optimized for order book system, it has a twin turbo consensus system, and is built for institution and pro. So if you're an institution trader and you're somebody that likes to build exchanges, SEI ecosystem is quite good for you. It's also interoperable with the Cosmos ecosystem. Cosmos is a very popular cryptocurrency chain that many people use to build, and for developers that love bounty, you're trying to build, you're looking for an ecosystem where you can build and get like bounties, build and get grants. They have a very good community driven ecosystem where people can get bounties and then get rewarded for doing things in the ecosystem. Another thing that you will look at and say is, if you are looking to buy the tokens, some of the major places that you can buy the tokens include Binance. It's currently trading on Binance. It's also trading on Bybit, and it's trading on Coinbase. So those are some of the places that you can buy the cryptocurrency. And let's move towards some of the major projects on the SEI token. There are so many projects within its ecosystem, and one of it is Vortex Protocol. Vortex Protocol is one of the first perpetual DEX that was built on SEI. I don't know if you guys have noticed that recently there was a project that pumped about 2,000%. Asta is also a PEP. So PEP are like perpetual trading. They offer trading financial instruments just the same way we have futures. We also have PEP DEX, and it's the fact that their DEX they are becoming more and more popular. Like Asta really pumped massively and made a lot of people money. So Vortex Protocol is one of them. It also has its unique wallet integrations. SEI's wallets are integrated into Cosmos. You can see wallet integrations like Clip and Kipri. They also have IBC bridges, which makes it easy for developers to build things. It has validator network. If you're interested in providing governance and getting rewarded, you have that. They also have their various liquidity incentives within its ecosystem. Another thing that we'll be looking at is also some of these key features. Some of the key features of SEI token is on-chain order matching engine. We also have its twin turbo consensus. It also has front-running protection, which ensures that traders are protected from sandwich attacks where scammers or unsuspecting elements try to just ensure that the order book becomes manipulated. It also has high performance and low fees, which is not surprising because it's focused on ensuring that traders have very low transaction fees. So you're going to see that. Another thing that you would see is also the governance and staking. So if you're interested in staking, if you're someone that likes to stake and get governance tokens, SEI token is a token that works for you, and its on-chain matching engine is one of the best in the crypto ecosystem. Last time I checked, the token is doing okay. We would also check as at when I did this video, it was around 0.370 when I was compiling this, but the market has gone down a bit recently, and we'll do a quick review of the market. And also looking at the fear and greed index gives you a very good indication of what people are saying about a particular token. And for say the fear and greed index is around, the fear and greed index is 72, which shows a bit of greed in its ecosystem, which is quite good, showing that many people are holding and you have that quick ability to just do one or two things on it. And community sentiment on say is very positive. You can see that a lot of people believe in the token. And then let's just do a quick overview of its ecosystem. So you can see this is current market cap. You can see that the price is a bit down in the last 7 days, and it has a very, very good market cap of about 1.79 billion as at 24th of September. You can also see that it's trading on Binance, it's trading on Bybit, it's trading on Coinbase, Upbit, and Bitget. It's a decent token. Because some of the sentiment, the new sentiment, and you can see its community 85% to 15. So that's one of the things about say it's a cryptocurrency with a lot of development. It has a lot of upside, and it's one cryptocurrency that many people have long-term valuation about. So that's it for our token spotlight today. I'm going to have another token spotlight I'm going to spotlight by tomorrow. So just watch out, share this video, like, comment, and always do your own research when it comes to cryptocurrencies. It's very, very important that you do your own research when it comes to trading cryptocurrencies. And until our next video next time, cheers guys. Join the Crypto Evangelist community for more deep dives like this. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next token spotlight.